Sunil Jain, and you've been counting a lot of money. I mean, you're a
Uh-huh.
C.
So as I mentioned, transformation is calling forth something new which never existed before. Is is how I have come to understand, and that's how I keep discovering for myself in my daily practices. And it's just a momentary thing. You realize something very new which you had no experience of, right? And it's not the change. Change per se requires something pre-existing, which you can work on and change. You can increase it, decrease it, or give a different form to it.
Hmm.
That's more of a change, right? Which is already existing.
Change already.
The terminology uses the genesis of a new realm of possibilities,
Hmm.
like giving birth to a new world of possibilities.
Hmm. Wow.
And for that, there is a process.
Yeah. Do you believe in motivation?
No, yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yeah, yes and
Because
no, as in like motivation can just pep you up for some time, right? But I don't think motivation can carry a day.
hmm. Hmm.
It may be good to start with, but it takes something beyond initial excitement to sustain what you created. I would not call myself as a motivational speaker or public speaker. I just would want to share. Now, whether people get motivated about from what I share, get
Hmm.
inspired, or
Hmm.
get frustrated. Some people get frustrated and irritated. How are you? I say, I'm fantastic, doing great. Like what? In this time you're doing great. How can you do great? There are moments when you feel low. You are a human being. I mean, I'm a
Hmm.
human being, right? There are times I feel frustrated about something, get
Hmm.
irritated, get angry. I mean,
Yeah.
that's nature of being human.
Yeah.
But I think I don't stay there for long. I
You
pull
don't
myself
stay there for
off.
long.
Yeah, I know. I mean, hardly 10. There is no formula. People who, this is my, again, my own discovery, right? What enables me to empower myself is the future that I have created,
Hmm.
the future for which I live for.
Hmm.
I would want to be consumed by that future rather than getting consumed by some negativity. I can't afford to be in that zone of cribbing, complaining, blaming,
Right.
self-pitying, like feeling like a victim. No, I can't afford to be doing that if I'm really committed to a future that I have created. You have created something in the future and
Hmm.
you're working to
Towards that.
manifest it in reality, right? And creative is ongoingly you're being creative to manifest what you have committed for is what say I'm living a created life and every day is a new drama, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because there's nothing to anchor, right? You
Yeah.
need to anchor. I mean, if you're not anchoring yourself in one future which you're really committing to yourself, then you
Hmm.
could fall for anything, right?
Yeah.
You're coming from is a I hear a exclusion in the inclusion that you are referring to. I hear
Sorry.
exclusion. I think
Hmm.
usually I belong to one category, you belong to another category. We need to include each other.
Yes.
I mean, that's a recipe for suffering. Come from a same place. There is no difference between you and I. There is absolutely no difference,
Yes.
right? How many people are there in your team who are women? That's one reference point to say whether it is inclusive. How many people with the disabilities are there in an organization? So it's becoming like more of an object oriented. You and I are
How
not
many
object.
people with children? How many people without children? Like the
Ha, ha.
exclusion is endless, Sunil.
Yeah, exactly.
Very
Then you
endless.
will, yeah, then you will go to caste, then you'll go to religion, then you'll go to height
Yeah.
also maybe sometime, right?
Yeah.
Or economical division.
Yes.
How long will it? Then you'll come to skin color. True inclusion for me is one. I am very clear for myself that I am not excluded from anyone. Not really excluded. There is nothing wrong in me that I need to be excluded. Somebody will exclude me. And that comes from a huge respect for another fellow, a trust. Any human being is a loving human being, a sensitive human being. Why will he or she not include you? Why? I mean, I have no answer for it. Maybe they have some concern at that moment that they are not participating with you in your life. That's about it. That's how. And have you seen, Malini, when crisis is there, people cross all the barriers to support each other, include each other. There are so many heartwarming stories during this COVID situation, right?
Yes.
So I think we all want some crisis to be included. I think society is inclusive. People are inclusive by nature. It is not other way around. हमारा घर accessible है क्या? तो फिर आऊंगा, फिर तुमसे दोस्ती करूंगा. Do you see the difference? It's more of a relationship, according to me. It's more of a relationship, how we connect to each other. And then that association, that relationship will lead us to alter the infrastructure. You can't begin the conversation with infrastructure.
Yeah.
That will lead to more of a friction and more of effort. They are struggling. Don't make me brand me like I'm not struggling. I'm struggling equally. In my games, I'm struggling equally. There's a thin line of difference when I called I'm suffering, and I'm it's all a words, I think. Like, you're working on something what you're committed to, right? As a choice, as a matter of choice, your choice that you have taken on what you have taken on.
Yeah.
The whole suffering comes from an expectation called the world should be something like this for me. I mean, it was not made for you. World was not made considering that you are arriving, right? Yeah, then you have make a choice and then work around, have a conversation with people. Yes, there are things that are not working. People are great. Speak to them, no? Speak to them. There is some solution for whatever challenge that is there. You will discover it.
Communication is the biggest barrier today.
There are a lot of means of communication. Look at the technology.
Yeah.
That journey was phenomenal, and still it is. I mean, I can't get over it. There is no one out there coming to work, make your life work. Right? You are responsible. It's not like a responsible as like a something like a burden. It's like a privilege. Like, you can be responsible for anything. You can be. You want to do that, you can do that also. You can want to do this, you can do. But are you choosing to do it? Are you committing to do it? Was the question. And I saw when I participated, I was 30. When I started my participation, I was 32-year-old. Opinion on a judgment called only this much is possible. Till 10th standard, I was a topper in school. Would score about 93, 94%. Then after 10th standard, now the peer pressure and अभी क्या करेगा लाइफ में, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा काम करेगा वगैरह. And I don't remember studying till 10th standard.
Yeah.
I thought, okay, let me accomplish some success, then I'll do what I want to do. So let me pause. So I kept on pausing many things in life. Till 32 year of my life, lot of success. Went on to become a chartered accountant. I had my own practice. But still, I got that I don't have to have anything.
Yeah.
To live a complete life. From then on, that's a basic thing. What I got is people think that they need to have something to create their life. But what we forget is to create, you shouldn't have anything actually. That's the real creation.
Yeah.
You create from nothing, right? Canvas which is already filled with some colors and painting, right?
Absolutely.
You need a empty canvas, and that's the power of each human being. That's the power I realized for myself, that I am empty. I don't need to have anything. some people think they need to have kind of education they want. Some people think they need a kind of body that is ideal body
Yeah.
or financial condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is no perfect. This
Yes.
is perfect situation wherever you are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
You are
Right.
enough. Yes, you are enough.
You're enough. Yeah.
At one point I say it is generous. It's very generous of people to think great about me, and right, is anybody can anything abnormal or super extraordinary thing.
Mm.
I'm not like Spider-Man. Like I'm just like you as a human being. I'm living a life.
Yeah.
That's gotten us to a place where we easily get inspired by anything.
Yeah.
फेसबुक में जाके देखो, एक पिक्चर लगा दे तो कितना लाइक, अरे वाह क्या awesome दिख रही हो, awesome awesome क्या
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
एक चेहरा लगा दिया awesome हो गया आप. I think we are all same in terms of what we are dealing with as human being. If you deep dive into what we are doing, I am privileged that I didn't have the question of my survival.
Yeah.
Right? It was taken care.
Yeah.
There were, you'll find in the people in the history who didn't have even means to survive. They rose. They took responsibility for something.
Mm. Mm.
Right? So in each track of conversation, you can identify differences and say like similarities of human being. But fundamentally, I think once you resolve the question of your relevance, right? And your relevance is not somebody will tell you that you are relevant for this XYZ. It is for you to choose.
Yeah.
Right? So everybody is, going through that battle. I think they are finding their ground. Am I relevant for in my relationship?
Yeah.
Am I relevant in my group or in my organization? People are same, Malini. People are same. People are same. Everybody has their journey, and they are at one point of their journey, right? Everybody is in a different places in their journey.
Yeah. Yeah.
हम बैंगलोर से बॉम्बे जा रहे हैं. अभी मैं पुणे तक पहुंचा हूँ, आप बॉम्बे पहुंच गए हो, बस इतना ही फर्क है.
Yeah.
If I'm going to intercities, I fly. But sometimes if I want to, like if I'm going to Chennai, I would go by train. There's no point taking flight.
Absolutely.
For going Chennai, right?
Absolutely.
And I make use of that opportunity to enjoy the train. I enjoy train journey than the flight journey. Flight is just because it saves you time and energy.
Yeah. No ramp.
No and yes. No because infrastructure wise no. Yes because people are there.
People are there.
Aspirational life, no. I think without aspiration, we're talking about infrastructure, it doesn't serve purpose. Is again what I'm telling. The entire city be ramped up. Then what? It can't happen like that. You need to have a holistic conversation about each and everything. Ahmedabad IIM made it premises accessible. Okay, they spent crores of rupees, but there are no students for management courses who are persons with a disability. I mean, transportation is not. You can make your building accessible. If your transportation is not accessible, building accessible, transportation accessible. If your education material is not accessible, I don't think so. People are not asking. People are doing their work, whatever they are doing, their work they are doing. We are in the process of creating it. Maybe we have not manifested yet.
Yeah.
Right. And definitely there are challenges.
Yeah.
There are political challenges. There are challenges.
There are too many challenges in this country.
But you and me speaking about it now will not make any difference unless otherwise we get together for one particular aspect to work with, right? And as a person, as an organizer, you can do only so much.
Yeah.
At least whatever you are doing, if you can put on track. When I was working in office in 2011, I was sitting in office and just working. There are a lot of conversation going around about the difference between people with and without disability, right? People don't understand each other. And in my own experience, that was not real. Me, I was understood. Yeah, there were some differences like anybody will have. That was not because of my disability. That much I was very clear. Like just the two different instrument from two different musical world, percussion and string instrument.
Yeah.
You have jugalbandi with each other and they create magic. Right? So I thought, is it possible if we did a jugalbandi with person with and without disability? So initially I thought, okay, let us experiment through performing art.
Right.
So we had a couple of people who cannot see and couple of people who can see come together and practice dance. So what happens there, Malini, is that there is a common purpose now for you. Common purpose on which we are working. We are not consumed by your ability or my ability.
Yeah.
There is a common purpose that has been phenomenal experience. And then we experimented in sports also. Like you have a cricket team where you have 5-6 people with a disability, bodily disability, and 5-6 people without any bodily disability. Now you are a team. You are a team. It's so beautiful, so energetic it is. There's so much conversation about supporting each other, understanding each other, because there is a purpose for which you need to understand each other.
Yeah.
The purpose itself is not understanding each other. There is a purpose for which you need to come together. That platform, opportunity for that conversation for persons with and without disability. Events are so energetic.
Yes.
There's so much positive vibe in those events. It's amazing. People walk out with a lesson for lifelong.
Yeah.
Some learning, some experience for lifelong.
Yeah, every singers a song.
अभी
तो
इतना बाउंसर का को डालते हो लाइफ बहुत हो गया, कुछ हटके गाते हैं. जिनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, तो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल I'm learning Hindustani vocal. I'm learning Hindustani vocal from last 4 months now. An hour every day. I have acted in a movie, small role, which was given to by one of my friend director, a movie called Kanchana, Kannada movie. So I had the opportunity of coming in front of the camera. Tennis project. Well, experience is at one side, but we are really committed that Indian wheelchair tennis provides opportunities for people to explore themselves, persons with a disability, explore themselves. That's the whole idea. Through sports, empower yourself. Right? When you engage with your sport, when you engage with anything, that empowers you, right? When you deeply engage with anything. Yes. Why I'm saying sports specifically for persons with a disability is, you are breaking through something physically. Yeah. When you are told that you cannot do something physically, and you are breaking that barrier by demonstrating that you can play sport, and the confidence that can instill is unimaginable. I learned swimming. Yeah. And I had taken on a target of diving from 10 feet. I completed 3 feet, and then I got busy in other work and I never got into again. Yeah. But I learned swimming. I can swim. Well, diving is easy. The question is whether I'll come out or not.
The instructor better takes care of that we come out.
Diving is easy, just the point is coming out.
Yeah, yeah.
More and more people playing tennis, wheelchair tennis, you will see more and more tournament. And the plan that we have is another 2-3 years. We'll have our academy where we'll train people
Mm.
and Indian representation in upcoming Asian Games, maybe 20